In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Kinect Sports on PC. So to do that, I have in here this article that should be able to help us. You can see right here that you can play Kinect games on PC, granted that you use actual Kinect and an adapter. So as you can see right here, here are some videos that can help. And the only way to run X360 games on PC is by using Senya. They have still they still have no added support to connect, but there are a lot of ways to do it. The easiest is they allow to connect the original Connect with the adapter, and the others create some kind of emulator, which allows using other devices, from Kinect CTV2 to Slime VR. They only need to make the emulator think it has a Kinect connected and feed the converted data of other devices. The second option is the more interesting, as making mods the gameplay can be improved. It's also a wonderful machine because the Kinect is very demanding, and the more it had when it had to process the rest of the game. The emulator PS3 had support for the camera, but still no for the move. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.